guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov, I'm the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today we will create very beautiful image for Easter in Adobe Photoshop CC using 3D objects from PixelSquid.com. So guys, let's start. I have created my simple document with transparent background. You can create your document in any size you like. Also, you can use any color for your background. Everything is up to you. Using Paint Basket tool, I will apply this beautiful yellow color to my background, just like that. I will switch to the Move tool. Here, guys, in the PixelSquid plugin, I have all 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. I will click on this beautiful cheek, just like that, and voila! Directly from a PixelSquid plugin, I can rotate my object in any way I like, just maybe something like that, and I love it. Also, I will reposition it. Definitely, I can reposition it later on at any time. And I will specify directly in the PixelSquid plugin that yes, I would like to have shadows in my 3D object, and also I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high resolution, boom, and voila! Look at this, very, very beautiful. Now, I would like to add another 3D object to my design, but I would like to add this object behind my cheek. So what I will do, I will highlight my background layer and I will click on 3D object I would like to work with. I will click on it. How easy is it? I will rotate and I will bring it down. I will reposition it just like this. Maybe I will make it slightly smaller, just like that, and voila. I will click OK to accept all changes. I would like to have shadow under this 3D object, and also I would like to have this 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high resolution again. That's it, guys. Can I adjust my 3D object later on? Of course. Example, if I would like to rotate it, I can rotate it just like this at any time, guys. No complications. Anything is up to you. You can rotate, you can change your design at any time you like. So what I will do, I will rotate it just like that, and I will move this object slightly to the left, just like that, and I will highlight my cheek layer and I will move my cheek just like this. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. I love it. Just like this. Perfect. Today we will create our design in a little twist. So we are working with 3D object, but I would like to add some vector art into my design. Guys, yeah, I love to add something wow, something unexpected. So what I will do, I will highlight my background layer just like that, and I will switch to custom shape tool. In the options bar, I will click on the window, on shape window. I will expand it, and here we have all shapes we can work with. All shapes are default Photoshop CC shapes. So I will click on this shape, this flower shape, and I will create this beautiful flower. I will change the color just like that, and voila. You can change color of your shape to any other color, example white, just like that. Maybe white is better, kind of bright white. I like it. What I will do, I will create a new shape, same shape but in different color, just like that. And I will bring it close to this cheek, and now I can play with it. I can duplicate, example, this white flower, and I can move this flower to another side, just like that. I can resize it, I can make it smaller, just like that, and voila. How beautiful is it? Now, guys, I will highlight my top layer, my cheek layer. I will switch back to custom shape tool, And I will use this beautiful grass shape, just like that. And voila, I will change the color to bright green color, and voila guys, I can resize it, I can make it smaller, bigger, everything is up to me. So I will duplicate this grass shape, I will move it to the side, and I will resize it. I will bring size down, just like that. And voila guys, look at this. We combined 3D objects with vector shapes to create this very beautiful, very bright, very springy image for upcoming Easter. If you would like, you can add any text you like. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for being with me, super appreciate. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you guys, thank you very much, and I will see you later. Happy Easter, bye.